Kia kōrero tahi tāua, kia kōrero tahi tātou. Let us talk. So for this exercise, what I want you to do is respond to the questions that I'm going to pose. Yes, I'm going to pose a couple of questions to you, and I want you to respond. Now, I don't want you to feel awkward talking to your laptop or talking to your phone, because do you know how awkward it is asking questions to my laptop? But I know that you have to respond to these. So it's actually really good because there aren't many people out there who have other people to talk to. So use this as a tool of engagement. So I'm going to post the question, you can respond. Using both languages, so Mā Te Reo Tuakana by way of the older voice or the English language, and also Mā Te Reo Teina by way of the younger voice or Mā Te Reo Māori. Okay, so here we go. Starting with the first one. While who? While. Ia wai? Ia. Second rung, people's names. While who? While. Ia wai? Ia. Third rung, just repeating after me. I, you, he or she. Go. I, you, he or she. Here we go. While who? While. Ia wai? Ia. Fourth rung, possessives, possessive pronouns. You can use kaiako if you want. My teacher, your teacher, his or her teacher. Here we go. While who? While my, while your, while his or her. Ia wai? I taku, I tau, I tana. Awesome. Now what I want you to do is pose the questions to me. There is only one question. Mā te reo tuakana, mā te reo teina. While who? Ia wai? Okay, so you pose the question and I'll respond. I'll respond to your question with my responses. Here we go. Okay. Mā te reo tuakana in English. While Australia, while New Zealand, while Ranginui. Ia Ahitereiria, ia Aotearoa, ia Ranginui. While Jack, while Jill, while James. Ia Jack, ia Jill, ia James. While I, while you, while he or she. Iau, iakwe, iaia. While my teacher, while your teacher, while his or her teacher. I taku kaiako, I tāu kaiako, I tana kaiako. While the teacher, while that teacher, while this teacher. I te kaiako, I taua kaiako, I tēnei kaiako. This is what taupohi in tauiho looks like using while who. So I will do this Mā te reo tuakana first, then Mā te reo teina. So are mai, or whakarongo mai, so listen here. Here we go. Oh, sorry, just before I start, I will use mere as the example. So second rung, person's name, mere. Here we go. While mere, while mere, while mere. While who? While mere. Yes, while mere. No, while Jack. Mā te reo taina. Ia mere. Ia mere. Ia mere. Ia wai. Ia mere. I, ia mere. Kau, ia Jack. So I'm going to run through that again, e hoama, but I'm going to use a different example from the tohu wai. So instead of using a person's name, I'm going to use a place name or a proper name. So I'll use Australia in this one, okay? So mā te reo tuakana by way of the older voice or the English language. Let's go. While Australia. While Australia. While Australia. While who? While Australia. Yes, while Australia. No, while New Zealand. Mā te reo taina by way of the younger voice. Ia ahi te reiria. Ia ahi te reiria. Ia ahi te reiria. Ia wai. Ia ahi te reiria. I, ia ahi te reiria. Kau, ia Aotearoa. Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou katoa. Thank you for hanging in there for part 1 and part 2 of ia wai, while who. Don't forget there is only one core question that we are focusing on this week. While who? Ia wai. While Australia, while mere, while I, while my teacher, while the teacher. There are so many examples that we could possibly give you, but it's about you exercising that tohu ka wai. When you get a better understanding of it, you'll truly, let me just say this. When you get a better understanding of the tohu ka wai, you actually access so many applications. So don't forget that when I was running over the tauiho, where I was using the example mere, you can use any response from the tohu ka wai in that gap. So kia kaha koutou ki te whakaharatau. I really encourage you all to practice using the tohu ka wai. Watch this video over and over until you truly, I guess, get to a point where you can understand this concept. Now, don't get too caught up about while who and, not knowing what's coming after that, because yes, naturally something is extending off that sentence. An example is while I was at school, while I was running to school, so on and so forth. So there are a few natural extensions that come off that, but at the moment we are just in the building block stage. So that is just a reminder to you guys. Keep up the awesome work. Week 1 was awesome. Week 2, we're coming at you. Kia ora koutou.